Dysfunctional Vet with the Crib Bling, K-R-I-B, Crib Bling, B-L-I-N-G washing machine. This is from Amazon where I got it. Let's take a look at the installation and the assembly. First thing you do, you lay it on its side, and in this case it's on some plastic to keep it clean. You remove this black bracket that you see here, which is up inside of this. Then you take, and this is called a rat guard, you put this in and it has a clip here and a clip over here, and then a clip down along the bottom here and there, which holds that thing in place, and then 2 screws at the top. Now be aware of something. This is not going to keep a mouse out of there. A mouse will go right through it. That's more than big enough for a mouse. Also, a mouse can dig through 24 gauge metal, I believe it is. And right here at this spot, this would also allow a mouse to get in. Plenty of room for a mouse to get in there. You might keep a kangaroo rat out, or some other kind of rat. Now there's a service plate on the back, which is real helpful if you need to service anything. Up here at the top is where the water goes in, and it does have a screen to keep particulate matter out, which is helpful. We're going to stand this back up and we're going to move it to installation. I'll show you the inside of it and then we'll move it. Opening up the top, we have a booklet that's in here which I took out because I wanted to see how the rat guard was supposed to install. The instructions come with 2 small screws and a plastic bag, which was in here. I'll show you that in a moment. And then you have your water connection over here. This obviously attaches to the back, and this would hook to your hose or to your faucet connection, I do believe. This piece slides out. This is strictly a guard to keep the barrel or the drum in place. You have tape on a number of locations, which all has to be removed. Plus you have this cellophane, which protects against damage. And again, they have the thing branded with their Crib Bling logo. Has a number of features. I'm not going to go into that. I will link the description in the comments, and you can read about this machine. And it was not terribly expensive. So let's look at the booklet and then we'll continue. These are the instructions that come with it. It comes with a quick guide, which if you have a pocket electron microscope, you'll have no problem reading. And I've gotten so used to this really super fine print that I now carry a small loop with me. I'll show you that a little bit later. I don't remember for sure where I got it. I think I got it from Temu, T-E-M-U, and I use that for reading this really, really fine print. So let's move this to where it needs to go. And if you listen real carefully, you can hear the puppies. Listen. They arrive sometime during the night. One thing that I don't like is the fact that this, which is designed to hold the hose, is not able to fit in here, which means that there's going to have to be some other kind of support to hold this so that it can drain into a drain down tube. Oh, this was just a bad idea all the way around. And it looks like it's made to slide, but if it does, I can't find any evidence of it. On the inside is a lint filter. This tab at the top that you see here, you push down and then it pops out. You clean it, you put it back in. Once it's vacuumed out, it'll be ready to go into service. And I'll give you an update later on. Dysfunctional Vet out. Dogs. Dogs. Lots of dogs. Lots of dogs. Dogs everywhere. Here comes a dog now. His dad is black and silver, and he refused to pay puppy support. He said, "I ain't no white people in my family line." I wonder about that. Dogs can be so prejudiced. They really can. Mama Sasha. Nizavut. Nizavut. Oh, Nizavut. Nizavut. That's Fern. Hey, Fern. Come on. Trying to look through the viewfinder to see if I've got the dog in focus. His ears are a little different color. I call him white. The vet tries to say he's cream color or tan or something. I don't see that. I see a white dog. White dogs are racist. What can I say? What would their race be? Canine? The dog that just walked off just now is Savakovich. There's Savakovich there. All right.